So we have just shown you the unboxing and setup and use for your Poly Voyager Free 20 earbuds. To recap, this comes with noise reduction as it has got a active noise cancelling that tunes out to just the right amount of noise. And it comes with a 10mm speaker drivers and Poly's legendary audio, so you get perfect sound. And it comes with 3 noise cancelling microphones on each earbud, so that you can speak with confidence. It has got a fit test in the PolyLens app, so that you can get the right earbud size and position for optimal sound. So do check out the Poly Voyager Free 20 earbuds. This is the Poly Voyager Free 20, a true wireless Bluetooth earbuds. It has adaptive active noise cancelling and has got 3 noise cancelling mics in each earbud. The powerful 10mm speakers bring your music and conversations to life, and it comes with 4 ear tip sizes, so you can personalize the fit. We're going to unbox this and show you its features. So these are the items in box. Let us take a look at the earbuds. It comes in a very elegant charge case, and over here you've got the LED for the charge case and the left and right earbuds battery indicator. At the back, this is where you plug in your USB-C cable for charging, and by pressing on this button over here, it will show you the charge available for your earbuds and the charge case. So for comparison, from the left you have got the Voyager Free 60, followed by the Voyager Free 60 Plus, and then finally the Voyager Free 20 earbuds. So the charge case is a little bit similar to the Voyager Free 60, just slightly smaller. So the earbuds, they weigh a mere 5 grams each, fairly light for a pair of earbuds. Next, we'll show you how to put on the earbuds and some of its basic functions. So this is how you wear the earbuds. For the right, simply put it in and turn. For the left, so following the startup guide, we have to download the PolyLens app from our Play Store. So at Play Store, do a search for PolyLens. Install the app. Once the app is installed, let's open the app. You need to check on this box and continue. You can use your PolyLens to update all your devices. And you can also customize your settings and make your Poly devices work the way you want them to work. Finally, The Poly lens has also a location feature to help you find a misplaced device. Let's skip for now. We'll continue as guests. We'll allow the product improvement program. So to get started, we need to select our device. Let's select Voyager 320. Let's continue. If your earbuds is not in the pairing mode, simply press on it for 4 seconds and you can hear pairing on your earbuds. Next, go to our Bluetooth and you can see that Poly V320 is found. Select that. You can hear that pairing successful on your earbuds. Next, we'll try the fit test. Let's test. So our earbuds are already worn properly, so let's start the test. So the fit test is good. Now you can learn more about the earbuds. Let's go to next. So our earbuds are connected. Next, we're going to show you how to answer and hang up calls using the earbuds. The Poly Voyager 320 earbuds is able to connect up to 2 devices, and we are using our second Android phone for this demo. To answer calls, press on the earbud once. During the call, you can mute by pressing on the earbuds once. And you can hear mute on in the earbuds. To unmute, press on the earbuds once. And you will hear mute off on the earbuds. To hang up the call, simply press on the earbuds for 2 seconds. Next, we'll show you how to do a music playback. Let us show you how it's done. We have just shown you starting and stopping a playback music. Let's skip to the next track. So this is how you do a music playback. Start and stop, skip to the next track, and go back to the previous track. So check out the Poly Voyager 320 earbuds.